Welcome to Magic Bird Festivals in downtown Carefree, Arizona, where you'll experience the art of fun. Explore the scenic and intimate setting of the Carefree Desert Gardens while you discover fine arts and crafts, handmade jewelry, original clothing, and gifts from the more than 100 friendly exhibitors. Admission and parking are always free at Magic Bird events, where you'll experience the finest authentic cultural entertainment. From Native American hoop dancers and flute players to contemporary song and dance acts, each festival provides a themed backdrop of world-class entertainment. While at the festival, you'll enjoy a variety of food and drink, from gourmet food truck cuisine to old-time favorites. Wine and spirits are available at the many restaurants that surround the gardens. Magic Bird holds 5 distinct and unique events throughout the season, including the Southwest Festival of Art, the Carefree Christmas Festival Marketplace, the Carefree Indian Market and Cultural Festival, the Festival of Fine Chocolate and Fine Art, and Carefree Days. This season, we invite you to experience the art of fun at Magic Bird Festivals in Carefree, Arizona.